Every great journey begins with a road. A road that connects dreams to destinations. A road that never sleeps. This is NH-16, the lifeline of Bhubaneswar. And right here, where the city moves forward every single day, Solitaire is rising. What you see rising here is progress you can measure. Roof casting has been successfully completed up to the 17th floor, marking a major structural milestone. Simultaneously, brickwork is actively progressing on the 15th floor. While plastering work has already been completed up to the 9th floor. Multiple stages of construction moving in parallel. Structure, brickwork and finishing reflect disciplined planning, execution and a clear commitment to timely delivery. Rising above the city, Solitaire offers air-conditioned premium residences, expansive layouts, 30-plus modern lifestyle amenities and an integrated commercial zone that keeps life connected and convenient. Imagine waking up above the noise, watching the city move beneath you and coming home to a space that reflects how far you've come. This isn't just construction progress. This is the future becoming visible. Visit the site, witness the progress firsthand, experience Solitaire. Solitaire, built on progress, designed for elevation.